Listen to that. For most people, that's just the door locking. But for someone who's lived without a home, that's the sound of their life changing. There's a moment most of us never think about. The moment you close the door and you know it's yours. Yeah, not for a night, not for a week, but yours. That single click is the moment your body stops bracing. The tension goes out and the soul finally exhales. When someone lives without stable housing, especially the hidden homeless, life is lived in a constant state of tension and alert. You know, you're always listening, you're always aware, you're always ready to move. Every sound matters, every door matters, every night is uncertain. Even when you're inside, you're not at rest, because deep down, you know this isn't permanent. And then one day, something changes. You've handed a key. Key comes into your hand. You walk up to the door, your door, and for the first time, you turn it from the outside and you step inside, knowing you don't have to leave. That's an amazing feeling. That sound isn't just security. It's the moment that your brain says, I'm safe. Something incredible happens next. Your body begins to relax in ways it hasn't for years. Sleep changes, breathing changes, thinking changes. You move from surviving to living to thriving. From reacting to planning. From temporary to belonging. This is why we build homes. Not shelters for a night, but homes that last. Because housing isn't just physical. We have come to understand that, and most of us really know that. It's psychological, it's emotional, it's human. A simple door can restore dignity. Right now, there are people in our communities living without that moment, without that door, without that peace. But together, we can change that. Through Home Sweet Home Affordable Housing, we're building real homes. Affordable, permanent, and life-changing. And you can be part of that. Because sometimes, changing a life starts with the sound of a door closing.